Hey guys, welcome to ICPE Garage, and today we're going to be working on my exhaust and fixing it with Muffler Cast Exhaust Bandage Wrap Kit. These guys are not a sponsor, but I heard some really good things about them, so I'm going to try it out. Like I said, they are not a sponsor. And as you can see, my friend Ethan is not here today because his mom hurt herself yesterday, and she's doing better now, but she is still hurting. So Ethan wants to be with his mom and to help her out. So I'm just going to be here by myself today, but he'll be back in the next video. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we got the muffler cast wrap. So what you get in this kit, I can get it open here. You get this thing, which I think is not worth crap when you put it on, but I got a new way that it will help seal, and it will still do its job. Oh crap, where'd it go? Then we got the stuff that it soaks in. It allows it to harden and withstand the heat. And then you got the actual patch itself. So what you want to do is you will open up this package and you'll stick all this in the package. And then you let it sit for 5 minutes, so that way it gets soaked in every single inch of this patch. So let me put this in, and then I'll show you what we'll be repairing today. Get it in there. Sorry guys, last time when I did this, it didn't take me as long to put it in here, but we'll get it in there. There we go. Perfect. Then, what you want to do is you will want to get something to push into the mixture. Like that. Then, you'll make sure that the wrap will be fully sealed in the liquid. So we'll set her down like this. And then now I'll show you what we'll be doing. I did the first one earlier today. Might be a little bit dark, but let me move my flashlight. Okay. That's how I did it here. As you can see, it goes all the way around. Got the spot. Then same thing on the other side. There we go. And that's what I did today so far. And I'll do the exact same way over here. I will show you how I'm going to repair. That's the hole that we're going to repair today in the exhaust. So, then we're going to repair this. So, without further ado, we are going to repair that spot. We'll have to wait a couple of minutes before the stuff sets. So our channel is going pretty well. It's actually picking up, and I wish my buddy Ethan was here, but he wished that he could be with you guys too, because he wants to be with his mom just to make sure that she's okay, so he won't be here today. So it's just me today, but we can get her done. But Ethan will be back next week to go help us with the next week's video. So let's get this stuff ready to rock and roll. So then what you'll do, when this thing is done, you'll take it out of this package. Then you'll go crawling to the truck or vehicle that you're working on. And you'll have one hand holding it where it needs to go, and then the other one will just wrap around and keep putting tension on this wrap, so that way it stays in place. Then, after you do that, then after you draw tight, you get the I have exhaust clamps. It works better with exhaust clamps. So what you'll do, you'll get the exhaust clamps, go as close to the hole as you can, but have the exhaust clamp still clamping the two pipes that meet. So the pipe and the actual exhaust pipe, make sure that those are clamped together, but make sure you can get close to the hole as possible. Then the leftovers that are sticking out, you will what I do, you take this right here, this spring, whatever you want to call it, that comes with the kit, and I just break it apart and I stretch it and tie it as tight as I can. Then I let it sit, because this packet says that it cures up to 10 hours, but in order for it to actually fully functional, you want to wait 24 hours. So now I'll show you what needs to be done here. Oh yeah, another thing I forgot to mention too, you want to dampen the exhaust around where you're going to put the whole kit. So let's do that real quick. There we go. So you'll take this like so, and you'll dampen it like so. It's kind of hard to do it with two hands, but I'm making it work. Oops. Okay. Now we will get all the stuff and we'll put a piece together. And what I usually do when this time gets ready, I open up the package like this. I don't know if you can really see it, but uh-oh. I'll have to clean that up. Excuse me. I'll just do it like that so I don't have to worry about the mess. There you go. Then I usually open the package up like that and make it so it's hollow, so that way I don't get none of the sticky stuff on the floor. Jeez, I make messes today. That's what you get when you work in a mechanic shop. You'll open it up somewhat like this. Then what you'll do is you'll take... Oh yeah, one thing you want to make sure too is put your gloves on. Because it's really potent sticky stuff, so you will need your gloves. Okay, let's get to it. Hold on, I will put my materials down, and then I will grab you guys and we'll start to go. Alright, now we will get you in the hopefully so you can see everything that I'm doing here, and there we are. So now what you want to do is you take your piece that you've been soaking for 5 minutes, and what you want to do is you want to unravel it. Then what you want to do is you will take your exhaust and you'll start like this, and you'll first want to do it nice and loose so that